Hey guys, how to allow others to share your Facebook posts. On iPhone or Android, open Facebook and go to the post you want to allow sharing for. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the menu at the bottom right. I'm gonna click my profile, scroll a little bit down to find the post. Okay, tap the three dots next to the post and you can see edit post, right? And you can see right here public, edit, and change the privacy. Okay, and you can just turn it to public or from private to public. Okay, only public posts can be shared by others, right? To allow sharing on future posts, what you gotta do, go back and hit the menu at the bottom right, hit settings at the top right. Okay, you're gonna find profile and tagging. Okay, hit it. Who can post on your profile, right? Make sure to turn on allow others to share your posts to their story. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and done, your posts are now shareable like a meme page at 3 a.m. See you.